Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would say jump start your vehicle. Now there will be ways to get into your vehicle. There's other videos of how to get into your vehicle if the battery is completely dead or dead enough, or if the battery in your key fob is dead, and we have clips for that too. But to jump start your vehicle, you're going to have either a jumper box or jumper cables. If you have a jumper box, you're going to just hit the negative on this side and make sure you watch the plus or the minus. We put our black negative on this side, we put our positive on this side. Recommended by manufacturer is that you put your positive on this side on the positive side, and then you would put the negative to a grounding. This bolt here will work just as good for grounding or anything that's a good ground, and that way you just charge the positive side of the battery, connect the other side to another battery on a car, and have it charge up your vehicle a little bit, and then be able to start it. Be a good recommendation, at least 10 to 15 minutes, so you don't overwork your alternator. But you're also going to want to look into what would be the cause. Is your battery gone bad? Is your alternator not charging? And there's simple things that you can do to check that. Being you can go to the auto parts store and they'll generally check it for free. Come out there and check it. But if you happen to have meter, like a voltmeter, or if your car on your dash cluster will show you how much you're charging at, then you can look at that. You should be, if your alternator's running and your battery's at optimal or doing good, you should be charging between 13 to 14 to keep this battery full. When you check this battery should be at roughly sitting about 12.5 to 13 maybe. But generally 12.5 is where this battery should be sitting when it's fully charged, and that's how you would go about that. But you would jump start your vehicle, and then you would go get some diagnostic done. Now if you just left your headlights on, well then you know what what you did and what needs to be fixed. But you jump start it like that, and then once it's going, unhook from the car, then unhook from this, and you'll be good to go. And that's how you jump start your vehicle of a Mazda, or generally any vehicle. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.